Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you 15 amazing fruits that can help you burn belly fat and achieve a slimmer waistline. So, let's get started. First up, we have the powerful fat-burning properties of lemons. Rich in vitamin C, lemons can help detoxify your body and boost your metabolism. And don't forget about limes too, as they are also great for fat burning. Next on our list is the delicious and juicy watermelon. Not only is it a refreshing treat, but it's also low in calories and packed with water, which helps keep you hydrated. Watermelon is a great choice for reducing belly fat. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of apples. Not only do they contain fiber and natural sugars, but they also help reduce visceral fat in your abdomen. An apple a day can definitely help keep the belly fat away. Moving on to another fruit that's renowned for its fat-burning abilities, we have grapefruit. This citrus fruit has been associated with weight loss for years, as it boosts your metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Did you know that berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are also great allies in your battle against belly fat? They're packed with antioxidants and fiber, and they can help suppress your appetite too. Another fantastic fruit to add to your fat-burning arsenal is the avocado. Although it's high in healthy fats, avocados are loaded with fiber and can keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Moving on, we have the tropical fruit pineapple. It's not only delicious, but it's also rich in an enzyme called bromelain, which aids in digestion and helps break down proteins, making it a great addition to your fat-burning journey. Let's not forget about the humble banana, which is not only a great source of vitamins and minerals but can also increase your metabolism. Don't shy away from this fruit if you're trying to shed belly fat. Next up, we have an exotic fruit known as kiwi. Kiwis are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a fantastic addition to your fat-burning fruit basket. Now it's time to talk about the crunchy and sweet pears. Pears are high in fiber and have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. They're a perfect choice for snacking between meals. If you're a fan of oranges, you'll be thrilled to know that they can help with belly fat reduction too. Oranges are packed with vitamin C and fiber, making them a delicious and healthy addition to your weight loss journey. Moving on, we have delicious and juicy peaches. They are low in calories and contain natural sugars, making them a perfectly sweet treat to satisfy your cravings while helping you burn belly fat. Let's not forget about the tangy and refreshing citrus fruit, the grapefruit. It's not only low in calories but has fat-burning properties that can help you slim down that waistline. One fruit that is often overlooked for its fat-burning abilities is the tomato. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, and they also contain compounds that can increase your metabolism, making them a must-have fruit for your weight loss journey. Lastly, we have the delicious and succulent papaya. Not only is papaya rich in fiber, but it also contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in digestion and can help reduce belly bloating. And that concludes our list of 15 fat-burning fruits to help you slice away belly fat. Remember, incorporating these fruits into a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle will give you the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.